What is going on? Robotaxi is finally live. I was supposed to do a video yesterday, but I got a little bit busy. But man, it's official. A decade in the making. I know a lot of people watching this channel have been probably waiting that long. But Tesla has finally launched robotaxis in Austin. Now, what does it mean for the stock? What does it mean for Tesla moving forward? What does it mean for Wall Street? Because we're seeing an interesting thing happen when it comes to Wall Street analysts as well. So Tesla, long story short, soared the day after robotaxi day, 10%. Yesterday took a little breather day, and today is down about 5%. Okay. So all in all, I mean, we're up a little bit, right? We're still up 2 or 3% or whatever it is, but I mean, we're not up 10% like we were Monday. So what happened? Here is where the state of Tesla sort of is at the moment. Yes, robotaxis matter. There's 10 or 12 cars or whatever Tesla has at the moment. It's nothing to laugh at, but it's nothing to really count massively just yet in a huge financial reporting. But the point is simply that now Wall Street has a dilemma. A few of them that have denied that Tesla would ever have robotaxis, now that Tesla is collecting actual real revenue, real money with this robotaxi network, they have to sit down, get their glasses on, get their pencils out, and make some sort of financial model moving forward. Remember, production deliveries are set to happen next week. And one thing that everyone seems to be missing, not everyone, but a lot of people seem to be glossing over, is Tesla has repeatedly signaled towards new affordable vehicles coming out in the first half of this year. They reiterated it for the last 4+ earnings call, over a year now, right? Tesla has affordable line vehicles coming. And last time I checked, the half of the year ends July 1. Actually, technically speaking, I'm just doing the math, wouldn't it be middle of June? Whatever. But everyone seems to think end of June is kind of the deadline. So we're about a week away, or whatever it is, actually not even a week away from that. And so the affordable line vehicles mixed with the robotaxis. And ironically, the affordable line vehicles are what's causing Tesla to even dip today, because what's happened is some European sales data has come out not very strong in favor of Tesla's sales. Now, here's the thing, though. The entire auto industry is suffering. It doesn't really matter where you are, what kind of car you sell. If you sell a car that's not, like the sub 20Ks, like you see in some parts of the world, like just sales volume is down everywhere. That's not an excuse, because if Tesla's going to trade as a growth company, Tesla needs to be growing unit volumes. Of course, robotaxis is the other thing there. But so for Tesla to come out with the new affordable line of vehicles, that's going to be something that I think Wall Street, funny enough, is probably going to care about a lot more than the robotaxi network, which I don't get. As for the robotaxi network, and by the way, it's been a kind of a crazy week for me. I've gotten like 4 or 5 Elon replies and reposts and whatever in the last week or so. It's really been crazy. And follow me on Twitter, or X, I should say, if you want, at Hey It's Yashu. But it's been a wild week for me too. I've kind of had to just like disable all notifications altogether. It's just been crazy. But the real signal amidst the noise here for the robotaxi is how fast are they scaling, right? Are they moving from 10 to 12 cars to 20 to 30 by next week? Huge sign. That'd be a huge sign. This taxi in front of me is driving like a nutso. Are they moving to several hundred by the end of, let's say, summer? Right? The scale at which they expand or stagnate will now, moving forward, be the signal amongst the noise. It might be a little bit hard to tell. And Elon, in the earnings call in the middle of July, is going to talk about what he's going to talk about with, they're aiming for 1 million maybe next year at some point. Thousands by the end of this year, of course. But seeing the actual line item one day in the earnings report with how many cars they have in the fleet will be the signal. It will be the signal. Now, anyways, I'm very excited about a lot of things Tesla related. Robotaxis probably being there, but Elon also tweeted last night. Man, people are upset in the morning. I'm just driving. I'm about to get on the highway here, and people are upset. Um, I'm just chilling here and on FST and not really thinking too much, but supervising this thing. FST makes a big difference. Anyways, I'll get off my high horse. The Optimus. Elon tweeted last night that V3 Optimus was demoed to him, and he said it is amazing. Now, Optimus kind of just comes out of nowhere amidst all of the new news that we have coming out, funny enough. And all of a sudden it's like, oh yeah, Optimus. That's also a big part of Tesla's business moving forward. Optimus, here's what I think about Optimus, right? You know, Optimus is basically the car with the AI brain, minus a lot of the repercussions, right? Like driving in general, like is nothing to sneeze at. You really have to be focused and be safe, of course. Um, but Optimus, if you're picking and packing boxes or transporting items, Optimus is gonna be fine, right? Like Optimus will do whatever you need. Okay, maybe it reorganized the boxes in the wrong stack. Okay, go fix it, right? Like what I'm trying to say is the repercussions of messing up are not very high with Optimus as they are with cars. And so with Optimus, you kind of look at it and you go, man, Tesla already has a really good working bot. We don't know the connection between the AI brain and the bot so much yet. We know that there is control, and their last demo showed amazing progress there. But we don't know yet in terms of training data, real usage, what that's just going to look like just yet. No, bad car. Stay in the HOV. So, but Tesla can figure out that part, right? Like scaling up is one thing, demand is one thing that we worry about. But with Optimus, we don't worry about scaling. We know Tesla can scale hardware. We don't really worry about demand either on Optimus. We know that the demand is going to be there because at the end of the day, who doesn't want to spend 30K on a bot that'll net you 100K positive value every single year, work 24/7 for you in whatever you have going. So we know that the demand side is there too. It's just a matter of Tesla working out the kinks with the brain, and the progress that we're seeing with Optimus is exponential, right? And if you don't remember, I mean, Tesla had that whole man in the suit. Let me just steady this a little bit. Sorry. Tesla had that whole man in the suit, right? Demo not that long ago in 2021. And so now we're sitting here with a real life demo. It's one of the coolest things to see. Anyways, I'm going to focus on driving a little bit here on the highway. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, month, summer ahead. Catch you in the next one. Hit subscribe if this is your first time watching. And for more analysis, leave a comment down below and we can get the party started. Much love. You sign off. Take care.